where me are gonna want here, man.
Lift up his slippers, let me see. What's up L.T.K family? You don't know it's a boy Lloyd. Today I am back with another video. People here all go on. Anybody coming to the car today, whether a man or a woman, me just go just start to tell them say, yo, me smell dog S-H-I-T. You see me? So that's where me I go start it from. You see me? Like me I go say, yo, we don't smell that, and you see me? So anybody will sit down in front and them will get pranked today. Guys, here we go on now. Me the back on the street, you know. You see me? You don't know me as a cabbie from before me did cut. So me the back on the street. Most people don't know so me the back on the street, you see me? So sometimes some people see me, they must say, yo, you're there, me never know you're there. You see me? But as me say, people, the prank, yeah, me will kick it off by starting to say that, yo, me smell dog S-H-I-T. You see me? And then from this up, me I go take it. People, yo, me don't know who me I go prank. You understand? So, you don't know how that thing they work out. You don't know some people will get mad and cuss and all something. But people, remember, like, comment, subscribe, and share. You see me? And remember, so you can follow me on Instagram at Saman7862. Don't know you can follow Wifey and Instagram also at Empress Tommy. I'm going to put it on the screen. That's you guys can. You don't know, follow it on Instagram same way. You understand? So guys, remember, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Because I know say yo, that one you go bad. I know say that one you go bad. Because yo, imagine you tell somebody them thing there. You see me? People, do what you do, man. And me just want to say much love to everyone that subscribe to the L.T.K family. You see me? Right now, me I got 400 subscribers. You see me? This is me I go you know say, yo, me feel good. I say me feel good. Me feel good. Yeah, man. People, just bring me to 1K. You see me? Remember, like, comment, subscribe, and share. And remember, check out my boy Jeans Official. You see me? Check out him channel said way. Remember, good Island Girl said way. You see me? Make sure to check out our page said way, people. You see me? Give her some like. Subscribe to our channel. Bring her to 1K. You see me? Because, yo, she a go on 1K now, you know, people. So bring her to 1K. You see me? Remember, Ben and Shan TV said way. You see me? Just go there. Subscribe to them things said we. Bring them to 1K, man, because you don't know the YouTube vibes. You see we? Show we some love same way. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, and share, because I know the prank you go hot. You see me? Bless up on yourself, L.T.K family. Much love, Zine. You smell that doodle? Huh? You smell that doodle? You smell that? You sure? Look on your foot if I am, man. Huh? Look on your shoes if I am.
I'm not blind, I can't see when I walk, I'm not stepping on a dog doodle. Then voodoo not up this long
so
time.
So you smell a dog doodle?
I feel your nose one, I smell it.
You don't smell that?
No.
How feel you look on your shoes, lady?
Oh, yeah.
Look on your shoes, huh? Eh? No, here, man. Me I wonder if I fear.
Man, see my slippers there. See there. They wouldn't not sit up long time.
Or mine up on the carpet, right? Mine the rubber up on the carpet.
Is that driver you do now?
No, for real.
I hear not alone.
So you don't smell like that? Hello? Excuse me. You smell it? What's that?
So how you want to smell it? Is that the guy from us?
No, I just ask if she do it. If she have it, something on her foot. Yeah? My nose alone.
But you look like a few and slip and
Eh? Prank, you want prank, just see video on.
What kind of thought about prank?
It on from me coming at it, from me just coming at
When
it.
you come in, that mean I couldn't prank, no?
Then I can do it long time.
Yeah?
Then I can put it on. We start it here now.
It normally start long.
Time.
No, but for real, me I tell them I smell it.
Big man, I don't do nothing in here.
Because I smell it. As I take off my mask, I smell it.
Put on the back.
No, but if I carry them, I have to go carry wash. So you can't cut your hair, sir.
And my eye big man.
But you're not supposed to cut your hair after people.
Oh yeah, sir. I got geared from.
Eh?
Thank geared from.
You're not supposed to cut your hair after people. Because I tell you something, you have to cut your hair. You know, so I should make you go in the next year, though. You know?
Drive your car and carry me going and I beg you drive, you know. I pay me.
No, but I should make you go in the next
You should
year.
have come with me.
Which girl that? Hey, up there, sir?
Yeah, she know.
Here.
No, she used to throw the partner for me because I never know the partner woman. And she throw the partner and when I forget the partner job, she
I
can't make
told
me
you
get
come
my
from, no.
partner.
I told you come from?
Oh, yeah.
I mean, know you talk like town people, you know. That's why you cut your hair after people, sir. So fix your face.
Everyone. Me I go for my money. I don't want to come kill me this evening and take it and hit me and go for.
You don't smell it something? Hello? You don't smell it? See, she a rubber nose. I tell her so she smell it, you know? You don't smell it?
If me smell it, my mother say yes, me smell it. Me not smell it. How you smell my mouth? If my mouth stink, I say go. Like it, you smell.
So I don't know. You brush your teeth this morning?
Never brush my teeth. My bun ganja right through.
So that can't brush teeth, you know? That can't brush teeth. What's up? Body tapping a dog do, master.
You can't say somebody straight up. When somebody have to tap in a dog do, that dog do.
So yeah, me know. Are you?
Yeah, I'm a shit
Yeah,
up.
you're fat for yourself, man.
Oh, Adali, are you? What's your name?
I mean, you want to ask me. You know,
No, me not ask your name. I tell you, me smell dog do.
I mean, you want to ask me long time, but you just have come. You don't smell dog do. You don't smell dog do. And that you have.
I'm not bright.
Tell him nothing, man.
Not telling me
No,
name.
but you say
better
somebody
than
do. You
ask
see it,
me.
you know. No, but look. You almost say somebody do.
No, you say you smell dog do. If you smell do, you smell do. That depends, you know.
Yeah, and then you say somebody is them body. You see me, I tell you.
I can't somebody fat too.
I mine, are you know.
If I'm not afraid to tell you, say I'm just fat. I'm afraid. Fat free and everybody fat. I'm afraid to say
I know you stepping I do
me
the
been afraid to tell if I me step in there, I would have said, drive back.
So what you want to tell me? Say, I'm mouth to me,
Yes.
sir?
Lock your mouth.
Yes.
And you stop smelling.
What them is?
You lock your mouth and when me talk, smell if you smell it same way. Like come like when you talk, you smell it.
But me I smell you now.
My mouth lock.
So if I am out, like, you talk to me smell.
Driver, yeah, you see.
Talk to me smell, you know. You see she a come out for her mouth. She a come out for her mouth. But for real, man, to be honest, somebody tapping a dog do the for real, man. And I seen me take out my mask and show the lady and then near me. Oh yeah, come on.
I mean, you want some similar shit, you bright, you?
No, but me don't know it.
Me a big man, enough to wipe my ass.
Sometimes you know wipe it good.
Before when I wipe it, I got beard because inside bathroom.
So what's wrong with that? So me live outside,
I don't know if you live in, outside bathroom or inside.
No, but
bathroom.
if somebody tell us you smell a doodoo, all they have to do is...
You can't tell me say me smell a doodoo because you don't
What
smell
me?
shit for me. You bright here. I mean, yourself you smell.
Are you?
You can't smell me, you bright, you bright.
Ah, you see she say a true. I know you smell, sir.
Are you smell?
No, you say a true, you don't want to talk truth, you know.
Are you smell? So you take off
A true, you don't want to talk truth. A she.
Are you?
Lift up the slippers and me see it again.
Big man, I'm tear man. Drive one time ago when me I go now. I'm tear man.
Lift up the slippers and...
I have nothing right now. Just carry me where me I go. Where me I go, me where you carry
You
me.
know, so me tell us you should go in the next car though.
What a fear. Time. I know you want to come tell me to come out. You just carry me halfway.
No, alright, me gonna make you go in our next garden. Yeah?
This man carry me where me I go.
So
And
we are
don't
close,
come go like you want to come disrespect.
Me not
Don't come go like
disrespect.
disrespect.
Lord Jesus.
Oh.
Me
Come carry me where me I go and hold up the argument with me. And I come tell me about you smell shit like
what?
big man, me I go about my business, carry me where me I go. That's why I'm coming in your car.
So we are going so far. We
Where
are
you
going.
been? Come tell me about me smell that shit. Yes. Me big man. Oh.
Place where I come here.
I will try you go, right? That's so though.
Come
Okay,
here, man.
I care you go which you are going, so we are going so far.
Well, I'm not argument with me, man. You can't go where me I go. You come tell me about you smell shit like about from me smell that shit. That's my blood.
Alright, I prank you.
We know see a prank.
I mind I me smell that shit.
I prank you, big one. Top cost now, man. I prank you. Mommy, I
Hello,
prank.
I prank the driving little fast. I need to walk in and
Phone.
Alright, you go on. I prank you, big one. So no what I cuss. You see me? Remember, like, comment, subscribe, and share.
I'm not
You see me?
like shit.
L.T.K from me.
I'm not think that shit. I'm just...
People hear them, people are ring. People are ring.
Yeah, cause
Yeah.
you ring. You
Yeah.
ring. You bitch
What?
you. You bitch you.
No, man,
You
you can't.
bitch you.
People
So all
remember.
you want to tell me say me smell that shit.
Remember, like, comment, subscribe, and share. You see me? Cause look at them are the wrong thing I know. You see me, people? Remember, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Because we make she start quarry. They realize, you see, she start cuss.
What you mean?
The more the what she tell me, she not even know some a Christian, eh? The more the what she tell me.
What you say?
Yeah, man, so people like, comment, subscribe, and share. Me get her here.
I get this.